Why, hello everybody. Welcome to the Jones Kitchen. Today we're going to be making something I think we all need right now. I was looking the other day at how much it's costing to get hand sanitizer. I mean, people are ripping people off. If you see any of those guys selling it for really expensive, just don't buy there again. So today I'd like to show you what we're going to do, how we're going to make it. It's real simple. You can do it from your own home. You don't need to come down here to the Jones Kitchen, deep in the south of Mexico. So this is what you need to do. You need one of these guys. Forgot what they're called. You need some essential oils. I'm picking grapefruit today. Need some rubbing alcohol. We all have that in our house. You need a cup. You need a third cup here. That's what we measure by. You need a knife. And then you need to get your son to go out in the backyard and cut you a nice aloe vera branch. All right? So this is what we do. You take the branch, I don't even know what it's called, but let's call it a branch today. And you cut this guy up, and you just go all the way down its spine. Take all those little spingy wingies out of there. So what we're going to do is we're going to fillet it like a fish. So we get all these guys, little thorns. I guess that's its protection. Take that away. Then what I do is I cut it down to half. Look at that. This is a beautiful. Aloe vera is excellent. It's good for all kinds of things. It's good for sunburns. It's good for wounds. You name it. Put down the description, what else it can be used for. Is that what they say? Description? Yeah, anyways, here we go. So now I'm going to fillet this baby. Take it and I just fillet it. There you go. You watch yourself. You don't cut yourself. And you just move it down and bammo. Okay? Move that away. And then cut this off. Take this. And I'm going to fillet this guy. There you go. Yes. Fillet. Filet mignon vera. You know, it's been 24 days since I haven't seen my wife. Sherry and my other daughter Abigail went to California to help Sarah, my other daughter, when she was going to have her baby. She had a beautiful baby boy the other day. His name is Declan. Nice name. And now they're there, and hopefully they're not going to get stuck. We don't want that. We don't want them getting stuck there. We want them coming back soon. So I'm going to speed up the process a little bit so we can get this done, and then we'll go to the next thing. I mean, it's just really simple. Even I can do it. Okay, let's speed it up. Okay, here we are again. Hello, everybody. It's good to see you all here. Welcome to the Jones Family Kitchen again. Let me just throw this away over here. Hi, here I am again. So, once you have the aloe vera, it's all clumpy. You take this little blender here. I think we like to call it in English a hand blender. And you plop it in, and you just kind of mix it up and make sure it all gets kind of liquidy. Can you hear that? That's aloe vera becoming liquidy. Almost done. All right, there we go. Get all the stuff off it, because you want to use all that stuff. And all that's good. Look at that gooey stuff. Put that over there. And then what you do is you take 2/3 alcohol, right there. You take one, there's 1/3. You take one more third, And you put it right there. See that? That wasn't too hard, was it? Put this over here. And now you take 1/3 of this stuff. And you put it in. And that's about 1/3. Right there. Okay? Did you see that? Let me move this here for a second. Then you get yourself a mixer and you just mix away. See how I'm mixing away? Look at that. Just mix it. It's really fun making hand sanitizer. Don't give any listen to that chainsaw going in the background. Okay? It's just a chainsaw. It's just cutting wood. And then we got some grapefruit. I'm gonna put 4 drops in. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 drops. I'm putting 6 drops in today. Got that. We got this. And there you have it. Look at that. That is hand sanitizer the natural way. You might still have some little things in there, but don't worry, because that is going to make your hands clean, okay? Now, what I've been reading is, it really is more important that you rub your hands and you wash your hands. 22 seconds? What is it, cameraman? 22 seconds. And you clean. But seriously, I can't believe those guys were trying to sell this hand sanitizer for 80 bucks. Come on, it was less than this for 80 bucks. And that's profiteering. So do your own stuff. Use this. God bless you guys. We're praying for all you guys. Pray for us down here in Mexico. And here's the final product. I just found an old lotion bottle. I'm not sure what company it was. But I took that, I put some stuff in it, and now I have our lotion. Our hand sanitizer whenever we want it. Look at that. Let me just try some right now. Look at that. A little bit. And you really only need one thing. Look at that. That's too much. I put too much in. Sometimes I like smelling it. Kind of wake me up a little bit. There you go. Aloe Vera, alcohol, clean. Thank you very much. Bye. See you later, and thank you for joining us in the Jones Kitchen.